What exactly is a crypto airdrop? Airdrops are a fantastic way for blockchain projects to distribute free tokens to their communities, often as part of a marketing campaign or a way to reward loyal users. Essentially, it's free money for you to grab. Today, we're talking about the Blast airdrop, currently in its second round. Blast is a project that runs on an Ethereum Layer 2 blockchain fully compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine. This means it works seamlessly with Ethereum and allows for efficient staking of Ethereum and stable coins. By participating in the Blast token airdrop, you can earn a 4% APR on Ethereum and a 5% APR on stablecoins. That's a great way to make your assets work for you without the usual risks and fluctuations. Let's get into how you can take advantage of this opportunity. 1. First, click the link provided in the video description. 2. Make sure you hold Ethereum or any stablecoin on the Ethereum blockchain. 3. Connect your wallet and ensure you have enough funds to cover the gas fees. 4. Follow the prompts and confirm the transaction. 5. Wait a few minutes for the rewards to appear in your wallet. The system can take up to 24 hours, but in my experience, it usually only takes a few minutes. For example, I successfully claimed 1.2 Ethereum from this airdrop. Remember, the more assets you hold, the greater benefits you'll receive from the Blast token airdrop. To sum it up, participating in the Blast airdrop is a great way to earn rewards on your Ethereum and stablecoins with minimal risk. It's straightforward, quick, and can significantly boost your crypto portfolio. Always make sure to do your own research and stay informed about the latest developments in the crypto space.